and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making bread. In my bowl I'm going to add bread flour, salt, fast action yeast. And I'm going to mix it using my hand. In the jug I have 300 millilitres of hand warm water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of clear honey, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm taking my liquid and pouring it in to my flour mixture. And I'm mixing it until it forms a sticky dough. I have lightly floured my surface. I'm going to now knead my dough for 5 minutes. I have oiled my loaf tin. I'm now going to take my dough and spread it evenly in the tin. I'm going to put it into a plastic bag and leave it to rise for 1 hour at room temperature. It has been 1 hour. I'm going to cut 7 incisions on the top. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake my loaf in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until it goes golden brown. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.